Hey, Tej here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for CIRUS Foundation with ticker CIRUS. First we'll check out some major levels of support and resistance, and then I'll show you some possibilities with Elliott Wave theory. Let's get going. First we'll check out again the major support and resistance levels. These are basically the ones that I've plotted down here on the chart. The chart is again from KuCoin and can be found on Tradingview. I'm going to be using logarithmic charts and daily for now. Without logarithmic charts, you can see the price is squished a bit differently and the chart is viewed quite different. So on this one I'm going to be using logarithmic only. Currently, let's zoom in. We are on this support and resistance area that we bounced off of around 8th of February, and we bounced off of to this other area of support and resistance. This time we acted as a resistance, bounced down very heavily. We got a couple touches on this area as well, trying to bounce up but couldn't, and now we are almost looking like that. We're back testing this area, looking for more downward pressure. On really high time frame, let's take out these levels and see what is happening. Again, this is volume profile for the whole coin history. We can see the range value area low here, right around where we are at now. Not really relative or really good area here to indicate anything with this range value area low, because it is actually basically the lowest point we can have here on the chart at the moment. But again, it has some kind of confluence around this area for a support and resistance both. We can see high volume node here around 16 cents. That could be some kind of area of resistance again. Just above that we have another daily as well established, naked daily that we haven't touched yet, so could be some kind of resistance at least, or some small bounce if anything else. At around 24 cents we got another daily and the point of control of this whole coin's history. Again, high value area node. Other levels above that, around 34 cents we got this support area, or now resistance area, that we visited before, again under the daily. And 32 point retracement from this all-time high to current price low down here around 29th or 30th of April. The rest of this structure is probably going to move. Again, fibs are going to move. This high time frame VWAP is going to move from the all-time highs as price develops, so I'm not going to be worrying about that at the moment too much. On a shorter time frame, let's zoom in a bit. We got a Fibonacci retracement from the highs here of April 2nd to current date. Our current lows here are at 30th April. Nothing else but this, again, this same daily with a point of control with a golden pocket for this Fibonacci retracement is lining pretty well here, again around that 24 cent area, offering really strong resistance here if the price comes up here. So yeah, major area of resistance. I could mark this as well here around 28 cents. We got range value area high with a 786, but this is again not as big of a resistance area to my mind, at least. Yeah, I think those are the levels I wanted to share. Let's get into some Elliott Wave stuff. Now, before getting there, I just want to say that as the coin history is this short from August 2021, there's no comprehensive thing on this. There's not really a valid count here, or invalid count either. So basically I'm just looking at the structure overall and giving my opinion on it. This is the count I came up with. I have a WXY there's so many different possibilities you could be saying what this is. We don't know what is this structure before it. This could be impulse wave, this could be some kind of a corrective structure heading higher and now impulsive down again. But again, I've labeled this as WXY for now. Mainly what I'm looking here is the channel. This is established from the end of the W here at 30th of September to the 8th of February lows, and pulled again to the X here around the highs of 8th of November, giving us this channel, and currently we are back testing that. Yeah, not much more to say about that. This channel is powerful. We would be expecting some kind of break of this channel and then backtest as we did now. We've already backtested it a couple of times here, 24th of April and 26th of April. We haven't closed, we did actually close below it here, but again re-established it here, and now we are back up at this resistance area that we were talking about earlier. This is basically again what I like to see here, or what I see here is some kind of WXY here, X and Y. See if there's some kind of correlation here. I wouldn't be expecting too much. Maybe 1, 2, yeah, some of these basic levels around the 1.382, nothing really extended or anything. Now this could also be a higher time frame or higher degree as well. Could be either minute or even, well, saying this is minor is a bit of a stretch. This, let's see, this wasn't the one, is this one. So this is again the Fibonacci time from the all-time highs to the current lows of, or the lows of February 8th. This is saying again that the 0.618, which I like to use for the minimum targets, is around May 22nd. So I wouldn't think this is actually a WXY of minor degree, which was this structure over here. Instead, I would think this is actually, if it has to be higher degree, I would say is minute. For this, again, if it is minute, we could be looking at something like this. Whether it comes down even lower, I'm not sure. But again, we know more as price develops to see what is the better looking structure here. And here we go. So the maximum retracement, or extension, sorry, is around here into the 7.5 cent area. So price can go all the way up down here. If it goes below this 1.618 area, then I wouldn't be considering this as a larger ABC, like so, of minor scale. Instead, I would be considering this again a possibility of being the leg, another just a connector leg for this, and then this one. But for now, it looks to me that we could be heading higher, just by looking at the structures overall. Yeah. Again, we had few different targets there. There's not really much to say about this. The retracements from the all-time highs to the current lows we've had here, well, this is actually to the lows of February 8th. We see that we came up to the 382 retracements, but again, nothing really major, anything else here to say. Is this a good place to long? No. We are basically at the all-time lows. We have no idea what is happening. This massive pump in one day, 700%. Yeah, the listing times are just weird sometimes. Massive pumps and massive dumps. Again, this could be coming way lower. If this even plays out, even just like this, what are we expecting? Well, we're just expecting something like this. Minimum retracement around the 9 cent area. There's really no downside maximum risk. You could even come up to the 2.618 here, and this is at, what is that, 0.05 cents, so it could just basically die. If you want to be long on this one, I would be really careful. I would be looking for some kind of structure that would support bullishness. Even the current one, this could be a good start for it. Where's the lows here? Is this the lows? Yeah, this is the lows. And this definitely looks like some kind of impulsive structure getting higher. But I would be really careful with this though. At least for now. But yeah, I think that's all I wanted to share on CIRUS Foundation, and if you have another coin you would like me to analyze, let me know down in the comment section below, whether it's a stock, a coin, or just an update of a previous ones that I've done. Let me know. But for now, I thank you for watching and hope to see you back on the channel soon. Bye bye.